It is another wonderful day. Welcome to another wonderful tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can actually remove background from any image. I'm going to be showing you the simplest way to remove background from any image. So if you are a graphic designer, come and watch this video. Let's get into my phone. First, you need to go to your Play Store and download Background Eraser. Play Store. Search for Background Eraser. Now look at the app here. This is the one you have to download. This one. Click on it. I have it on my phone already. That's the reason why they are saying I should update. Yours will be showing download. So I'm not going to update it. We'll just go direct to the tutorial. I'm going to open the app. Now this app will help you erase any background in your image. Any background. After opening the app, you click on Create. Now you select the image you want to remove background. Let me look for an image. Going to use this. Have you seen it? The app has erased every background on this image. The next thing to do is to click on this. Click on this area to save. And this save will appear. Click on save. You have successfully removed background from your image. Now let's go and see the image. Go to my image. Have you seen it? Very smooth and easy. This is the simplest way to remove background from any image. Thank you for watching.